Hi guys, Wesley Claggett here, sound mixer for about 15 years. I'm here to test a prototype of the Zombie rig to see if there's any noise coming from the motor to the boom, if there's any transfer of that at all, and what we might be able to do to fix that if there is. We're going to test it out here right now. So right now I'm set to pretty cranked. It's already hitting the limiter on the recorder. So I've got this volume pretty high up to see what we can find out here. Sounds like the faster you go, you're going to get some vibration in it. But again, this is not a phenomenal shock mount. I would say most of it's probably coming in because of the shock mount, where some of the better ones would probably not give any of this. So let me do a low pass real quick. We'll start with 80 hertz and find out if that's going to eliminate some of it. Still got a little at 80. Take it up to 100. Barely anything at 100. Let's maybe take it up to 110. I don't hear anything at around 110. So that's still very good for the vocals, for the human dialogue.